Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the camera safe. Power off, remove battery and card, and ground yourself with an ESD strap. Next, use a magnifier and precision screwdriver to remove the back and any panels covering the SD slot. Keep screws organized in labeled groups so reassembly is predictable. Once panels are off, inspect the slot for bent pins, debris, or a loose ribbon. This visual check tells you whether you need to clean, realign, or replace the slot assembly. Now you get into the delicate work. Blow out dust with short bursts of compressed air, then carefully swab contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to remove grime. If pins are bent, use a plastic spudger or wooden toothpick to nudge them back. Metal tools risk further damage. Make sure ribbon cables are fully seated and locking flaps engaged. If the plastic housing or pins are cracked, desolder the old module and fit the replacement, matching orientation, and solder joints exactly. Finish by reassembling the camera in reverse, confirming each ribbon and screw returns to its labeled spot. Insert a known good SD card and power on. Test read/write, file transfers, and that the card locks in and ejects smoothly. If the camera still fails to recognize the card, use a multimeter to check continuity on contact traces, reflow suspicious solder joints, and confirm the replacement part is compatible. If problems remain, stop and seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.